When you need a personal injury lawyer, the choices can seem overwhelming. Don't worry, the search can be easy when you know what questions to ask. Today we're catching up with a legal personal injury expert who will point you in the right direction to find the best lawyer for your situation.
How do you choose a personal injury lawyer? That's a great question, but I think the question should be, how do you choose the right personal injury lawyer? Prospective clients want cases to proceed as quickly as possible through the system, and they want their lawyer to be able to settle their case for maximum dollar while being treated fairly by the system. And they really need an experienced lawyer to help them build a winning case in order for all of that to happen. We've received calls over the years where people have not found the right lawyer, and they're unhappy with either settlement offers that are being provided or the services that are being provided by the lawyers. In order for your viewers to find the right and ideal personal injury lawyer, you need to find an experienced personal injury lawyer who is a specialist in personal injury law. That means someone that doesn't dabble in other types of law. And you need to find a personal injury lawyer who's trial tested, because that sends a direct message to the insurance company on the other side of the case. I know personally that insurance companies will pay more for a prospective client's case if they believe that the personal injury lawyer can beat them in court. And your viewers need to find a lawyer who have settled large cases, large matters, and have a reputation for handling serious cases. That gives you credibility when you're facing an insurance company on the other side of the case. We put together some tips for your viewers for finding the ideal personal injury lawyer. And the number one tip that we have is to make sure that the lawyer has a great reputation. So you need to check online reviews. And you need to ask the lawyer for client testimonials, or check the lawyer's website for client testimonials. And don't be afraid to try to contact some of those previous clients to get an idea as to what the experience was with that particular lawyer. You need to find also a lawyer who has expertise. Is the lawyer a specialist in personal injury law? And has the lawyer handled a case like the prospective client's case? The third tip is, does the lawyer engage a proper strategy? And so the client should ask the lawyer early on in meeting with the lawyer, what's the strategy for my case? How are you going to get me the maximum settlement possible? And is the lawyer going to engage experts such as doctors to depict accurately what the personal injuries are, engineers to perhaps do accident reconstruction, accountants or economists so that they can identify what the financial losses are because of the personal injury? Those sorts of things will help the lawyer and the client build a winning case. And that's really what it's all about. At my firm, Himelfarb Proszanski, we have over 100 years of combined experience in personal injury cases. And we've settled over $500 million in client settlements. And we have trial-tested lawyers and a trial-tested reputation for building winning cases. If your viewers want to learn more, they can go to our website, which is www.himpro.ca, where there's a vast amount of information on personal injury law. Or they can even download a free personal injury recovery kit directly from our website that can give them information they can take away. Or they can even call us at 1-855-446-7765. Remember, we charge a contingency fee, which means that we don't get paid until and unless we settle our clients' cases. But that doesn't motivate me. What motivates me is wanting to help people who are in troubled times. They've been injured and they need help. And they need a good personal injury lawyer so that they can sleep at night knowing that their case is handled by an expert.
Wow, it's great to know how to find the right attorney that will help you to take your next steps. Take advantage of our guest speaker's expertise by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.